Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone center console Molle panels. For Jeeps 2018 and up, JL Wrangler, and 2020 and up, JT Gladiator. Step 1. Hold your Molle panel up to your center console and line up the top of your Molle panel with the seam on the plastic panel. Take a punch or marker and mark where the Molle panel's holes will be on the plastic panel. Step 2. Once you have made your markings, take your 11/32 drill bit and drill a hole in each of your marked locations. After drilling your holes, align your Molle panel with the holes on your center console. For ease of install, we provide a rivet nut for the uppermost rear hole. If you prefer not to use the rivet nut, a normal nut is provided for this location as well. Step 3. After the rivet nut is secured into the center console plastic, you can move to the front hole where you will take one of your included nuts and slide it under your plastic panel where your screws will install. Once you have your nut in place, take one of your included washers and screws and insert it into the hole with the nut. Finally, tighten it with a 10mm wrench and 5/32 hex bit. Repeat steps 1 through 3 for the passenger side. Then you're done!